My name's Greg Quirk, and I'm a product manager at Epiphan Video. A week before ISE 2020, we introduced a new product called LiveScrypt, which is an AI-based speech-to-text transcription product. It's very easy to use. You simply press the Start button, and when someone speaks into a microphone, it provides text that's displayed on the monitor itself for confidence, as well as on in-room monitors for people to view, as well as stream to websites for them to access the content on their mobile devices. This is a great solution for corporate applications, conferences, education, legislative, and house of worship, because it allows all of the customers, all of the viewers to engage with the content without having to worry about hearing challenges, language issues, or being distracted by other people in the room when they're talking about something else so you can't hear what's going on. The system is extremely affordable. There is a low purchase price for the hardware, and then there's a per hour service charge for the transcription capabilities. We have multiple languages. As of today, we have 22 different languages and variants in the system, and more are coming. And we have a large roadmap of new features that we are hoping to be adding to the system.